Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is a general reading for Libra for the month of November 2020. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of November. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Libra. So this is your card of the month, that is Ace of Pentacles. This shows me that you are either being reckless about your money, or you want your money to be safe and secure, and you're not able to keep it that way. And basically, you are expecting something new to begin, and unfortunately, the things are stagnant and you're not able to move ahead. So this kind of energy I see in the November month. Moving towards the first week cards are Three of Pentacles reversed, Six of Cups reversed, and Six of Swords reversed. So I am getting this idea that you maybe either in your business or at your workplace you were dealing with a person, or maybe someone who was maybe either a person or a couple maybe, and those people, they somewhat, they were related to you. Maybe they could be your friends, could be your childhood friends, or someone who have more than as business partners. So those people, they have basically not being that much of a help. Rather than giving you profit, the business or the project, whatever you were working on, it did not, rather than giving profit, it gave you loss. And that also because they were, either relative or someone you knew, or someone you had relations with, either friends or family. So that is why you could not even say much to them. So that affected you financially as well as emotionally. That is what I see in the first week of November. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The next week says Ten of Wands, Three of Swords, and Knight of Wands. So this is showing me again that this is a third party situation, similar situation. The third party, whosoever it is troubling you. You are overburdened with your responsibilities. You want to move ahead. You have potential. You are even moving ahead, at a fast pace. You want to move ahead, but unfortunately, because of so much burden and responsibility, it is as if, like, they are just partners for the namesake. They are not doing a lot of work here in this partnership. So that is why, even though you want to move ahead, you have potential, you are not able to do that. You're moving, no doubt in that. You have that energy, you are moving, but it is little slow. Like, the way you want to move, that is not possible because of this third party situation. Next week says Four of Swords, the World reverse, and the Hangman reverse. So again, I'm seeing you being stuck over here. You want to move, you're not able to move on, and you are feeling betrayed. You feel that you had the potential, you have done a lot for other people, but when it comes to you, nobody helps you. Nobody is standing there for you. You need help, you need protection, you need someone to be there, but you feel little alone when it comes to other people helping you rather than you helping the other people. Last week says Ace of Wands, Five of Pentacles, and Eight of Wands reversed. So Five of Pentacles is also reversed, and Eight of Wands is also reversed. So this is showing me that by the last week of November, things will start becoming better. New things, new ideas might come. New things might start. The financial difficulties that you were going through might start disappearing, and you know uh, things will be slow. They will not be that fast. So don't think that by the end of November everything is going to change drastically. But yes, you will start moving in a positive direction and things will start becoming better as compared to the other weeks. So that is about it, Libram. Still, if you have any doubt, please you can write in the comment box. You can also follow us on Instagram for the daily updates, and for the personalized reading also you can mail us or write to us. So, all right, Librans. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.